The probe series products, independently developed by Raman, can meet the smelting needs in different working conditions with the advantages of fast detection speed, convenient use, and high accuracy. The sublance probe combines with converter sublance probe system to detect real-time information such as immersion depth, temperature, oxygen content, and carbon content in the smelting process. TSC sublance probe is used for measuring the temperature in the smelting process, for carbon determination and sampling, provides a basis for controlling endpoint target heat. The temperature thermocouple accuracy of TSC sublance probe is plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. The carbon determination accuracy is 0.01%, and the measurement rate is larger than 98%. TSO sublance probe is used to measure the endpoint temperature of smelting, oxygen activity, sampling, to calculate the carbon content of molten steel based on carbon-oxygen balance, and measure the liquid level height of the molten pool, providing a basis to achieving rapid tapping. The temperature thermocouple accuracy of TSO probe is plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. The oxygen potential accuracy is plus minus 3 MV. The success measurement rate is larger than 98%. Raman projectile probe combines with the projectile mechanism and the temperature and oxygen measuring instrument to detect the temperature and oxygen content of molten steel in real time. Due to its unique configuration design, Raman projectile probe ensures the angle and the immersion depth of the probe into the molten steel, completely solving the problem of the probe floating on the surface of the molten steel. The accuracy of the temperature measuring thermocouple of the projectile probe is plus minus 1.5 degrees Celsius. The accuracy of the oxygen potential is plus minus 3 MV, and the success measurement rate is larger than 98%. Raman oxygen probe includes two types, high oxygen type and low oxygen type, which can detect the temperature and oxygen content of molten steel in real time, providing data support for improving the quality of molten steel and reducing raw material consumption. The high oxygen type oxygen probe is for measuring the temperature and high oxygen content of molten steel in converters and electric furnaces, achieving rapid measurement of carbon content. The low oxygen type oxygen probe is for measuring the temperature and low oxygen content of molten steel in LF and RH refining furnaces, achieving rapid measurement of acid-soluble aluminum. The accuracy of the oxygen probe temperature thermocouple is plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. The accuracy of the oxygen potential is plus minus 3 MV, and the success measurement rate is larger than 98%. Raman hydrogen probe combines with the hydrogen determination system instrument to detect the hydrogen content in molten steel in real time. The hydrogen measurement range is 0.5 to 15 ppm, where hydrogen content less than 4 ppm. Measurement accuracy plus minus 0.2 ppm. Success measurement rate larger than 98%. Hydrogen content larger than 4 ppm. Measurement accuracy plus minus 0.3 ppm. Success measurement rate larger than 98%. The hydrogen probe is used for hydrogen content measurement in RH refining furnaces, VOD vacuum refining stations, Condish and other scenarios, assisting in improving the ladle dehydrogenation process, reducing smelting costs, and improving the quality of molten steel. We have achieved long-term strategic cooperation with multiple domestic and foreign customers for Raman probes. We look forward to join forces with you to assist in intelligent steel manufacturing.